Hello, I'm Gary from WhiteKnights and I'm here today to give you a tour of this detached park home here in Loddon Court Farm. Very briefly, what we have here is a two-bedroomed with two bathrooms, and the best thing of all, stunning views across parkland. You'll see that later in the video. Let's just take you and show you the actual outside first and then inside. So this is the entrance. You can see the parking there, parking for a couple of vehicles, and if I just pan round to the right, you'll see we've got nice wrought iron work and park brick to the front boundary. Now the land around the park home, the actual gardens, are all laid to patio, like a block paved patio. You can see that's the front. I'm just going to show you around the back now. So this is where we have the views. I'll focus on that in just a moment. So this is actually the rear garden area with a really useful shed ahead of me. Let's carry on going and I'll just show you this piece of the plot, which is just around here. Yeah, so all in all, you can see it's a nice sized plot, but it's all very much low maintenance, laid all to block paving and nicely fenced in. So this is the actual park home itself. Before I show you inside, let me just give you an idea of the view. It's absolutely lovely. Paddock land, you can see the horses in the distance there. Really very pleasant. The bedroom window, the dining room window and the rear door, you have views across this. So yes, stunning location. Let's now show you inside. First of all, the entrance hall, there's the front door, and just spinning around, we have the two bedrooms and a bathroom. And then if I just pan around to the left here, backing up into the entrance hall, you can see we've got glazed double doors into the lounge. So let's start with the lounge. Dual aspect room. We do have a focal point of a fireplace just there. So this has UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows, central heating as well. You can just see the radiator there under the window. There's another radiator in the distance over there. And then on the left hand side, this is an opening taking you into the dining room. So the dining room, you can see we've got a table and chairs already in situ. So that shows the size. And of course, as mentioned previously, we've got the view from this window. Very nice. And then on the right hand side, doorway taking you into the kitchen. So the kitchen has a door on the left here. As you can see, the door's open at the moment. Window ahead of me. So basically what we have here is a good range of units, nice and modern. Let's just show you that we've got a built-in oven and hob just there. The sink unit, washing machine, plumbing, as you can see, good work surface space, and also eye level units as well. I'm just going to show you this cupboard on my left hand side here. I'm just going to open this one and point out the gas boiler. So that's the gas boiler that supplies the hot water and also the central heating. Just backing up here on the left, we've got space for a fridge freezer, as you can see. And there's the door taking you to the rear part of the plot. Let's now wander through here and I'll show you the bedrooms and also the bathroom. Just before I show you the bathroom, we've got a storage cupboard here on the left hand side in the hallway. The bathroom is a white suite. Very good condition, as you can see. The whole property has been well looked after. We have a low level WC just there. And a frosted window, the bath and pedestal wash basin. Okay, so now the two bedrooms. First of all, the main bedroom. This is the one that has the ensuite as well. And this, in fact, is one that has the view. There's the view. You can imagine waking up in the morning, opening the curtains, and a nice cup of tea looking out across there. Absolutely lovely. There's a radiator under the window. space obviously for a double bed. The units you see here are all fitted. Now where's the wardrobe, you might say? Let me just turn around and show you. We actually have a walk-in wardrobe. Quite a nice feature. And also of course the ensuite shower. You can see the shower cubicle ahead of me there, the level WC, and the wash basin in the corner. And the window, frosted window with an eye level unit, a vanity cupboard. So that's the ensuite as well. And then to finish, we have the second bedroom. That's the one here. Plenty of space for a double bed. There's actually a settee in here at the moment. But I'd just like to point out that we do in this room have a built-in double wardrobe just here. We've also got a fitted drawer unit. And if I just spin round, there is a cupboard in the corner over there as well. So if you had a bed or a double or single, then I'm assuming it will go against that wall there. Plenty of room. So it is a double bedroom with a side aspect window. So that's the tour of this property. If you have any questions, then please do give us a call. My name's Gary. Telephone number's on the website. And equally, if you want to actually take a viewing of this property, then it's the very same number, and just request a time and I look forward to showing you around. Just going to finish by just giving you another view from this dining room window across the field at the back. Thanks very much for watching.